The Hennessey Venom GT is a limited production high-performance sports car manufactured by US manufacturer Hennessey Performance Engineering. The Venom GT is based on the Lotus Elise Exige. On the 21st of January, 2013, the Venom GT set a Guinness World Record for the fastest road legal car from 0 to 186 miles per hour, 0 to 300 kilometers per hour, with an average acceleration time of 13.63 seconds. In addition, the car set an unofficial record for 0 to 200 miles per hour, 0 to 322 kilometers per hour, acceleration at 14.51 seconds, beating the Koenigsegg Jaguar's time of 17.68 seconds, making it the unofficial fastest accelerating road legal car in the world. On the 3rd of April, 2013, the Hennessey Venom GT reached 265.7 miles per hour, 427.6 kilometers per hour, over 2 miles, 3.2 km during testing at United States Naval Air Station Lemoore, California. Hennessey used two VBOX3i data logging systems to document the run and had VBOX officials on hand to certify the numbers. On the 14th of February, 2014, on the Kennedy Space Center's 3.22-mile, 5.2 km, shuttle landing strip in Florida, the Hennessey team recorded a top speed of 270.49 miles per hour, 435.31 kilometers per hour, in a limited distance of 2.3 miles, 3.7 km, with the director of Miller Motorsport Park, Brian Smith, driving. As the run was in a single direction, and only 29 cars were produced, to qualify for Guinness World Records a minimum of 30 cars are required to be produced. It does not qualify as the world's fastest production car in the Guinness Book of Records. On the 25th of March, 2016, the Hennessey Venom GT Spider recorded a top speed of 265.57 miles per hour, 427.4 kilometers per hour, at Naval Air Station Lemoore, celebrating Hennessey's 25th anniversary. As with previous speed tests, the run was independently verified by Racelogic as world's fastest road legal open-top sports car. In May 2016, the Hennessey team revealed that the car was about 300 HP, 224 kW, down on power due to issues with one of the car's 3 high-capacity fuel pumps. Normally, the forced induction 7.0-liter V8 engine in the Venom GT Spider generates 1,451 HP, 1,082 kW, 1,471 PS, and 1,287 lb-ft, 1,745 Nm, of torque. The Venom GT has a heavily modified Lotus Elise Exige chassis. The Venom GT retains many Elise components including the roof, doors, side glass, windscreen, cockpit, floor pan, HVAC system, wiper and headlamps, although the manufacturer is not associated with Lotus cars. For road use, the car is registered as a Lotus Exige, modified, and is not a series production car. The Venom GT has a curb weight of 2,743 pounds, 1,244 kg, aided by carbon fiber bodywork and carbon fiber wheels. The brakes have Brembo 6-piston calipers at the front and 4-piston calipers at the rear. The rotors are 15 in, 380 mm carbon ceramic units provided by Surface Transforms. The Venom GT is powered by a twin-turbocharged 427 cubic inches, 7.0L, GMLS7 V8 engine. The LS9 architecture incorporates specific design features such as reinforced internal components and additional head bolts with aluminum heads, including twin precision dual ball bearing turbochargers. The engine has a power output of 1244 HP, 928 kW, 1261 PS, at 6600 revolutions per minute and 1155 lb-ft, 1566 Nm, of torque at 4400 revolutions per minute. Engine power output is adjustable by 3 settings: 800 HP, 597 kW, 811 PS, 1000 HP, 746 kW, 1014 PS, and 1200 HP, 895 kW, 1217 PS. The engine has a redline of 7200 revolutions per minute. The mid-mounted engine is connected to the rear wheels via a Ricardo 6-speed manual transmission, as used in the Ford GT.